Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Clemente Gomez. I'm a photographer in New York City. I'm outside my house, in the back of my house. And today guys, I'm doing an unboxing. This is an attachment for my GoPro camera. Basically, I can put the camera outside the car. And when I'm driving anywhere in New York, I can be recording everything that's happening from another different type of angles, another type of different composition on video. And I just want to give some kind of quality for my videos for my YouTube channel. So let's do an unboxing for this accessory for my YouTube channel, for my GoPro. And also I got like a stick, so if I want to record myself, do something pretty quick. It's just something simple. So I want to show you what I got today. Let's see what we got here, guys. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm doing an unboxing. Sometimes I'm horrible with boxes, guys. So let's see what we got. So I'm gonna put it in the car. I'm gonna try to see how it is in the car. You guys can see how I'm gonna put it in the car. And let's see what we got here. First here, what we got is it's kind of like I would say like a tripod, but not exactly. Well, it's a tripod, but you also can use it to record yourself with this one right here. So I like it. So you can put it far away or things like that. So basically, a lot of times I'm doing something pretty quick outside, and I don't want to have the Sony a6400, the one that's recording me now, and I just want to have something pretty quick to say something, and I just can't use the GoPro. So, and the audio of the GoPro is pretty nice. So yeah, let's see how this one looks. Yeah, this is yeah, this is nice. Let's see how it is. I need a knife for this, guys. Sometimes I'm horrible with boxes. Like, to be able to open boxes, sometimes I'm horrible, to be honest here. Sometimes I just break the box. I'm telling you, sometimes I'm real bad with boxes. So see how this thing looks, man. I did an unboxing for a GoPro camera that I buy already a couple months ago. But this is something else for my camera that I wanted to use. So it is right here. Let's see how big it is. I don't know. I even know how big it is. Okay. Let's see. There's nothing else inside the box. So basically, it's just this thing right here. So you attach the camera to this, and you record yourself with this. It's just a little piece, little tripod that you can put anywhere with the GoPro. And also, so yeah, why not? This is nice. And then the one that I was really wanted to get, it was the one for the car, for outside the car. So basically, you use this for outside the car, and if I want to record it outside the car, I can put this in let's say you can put it in motorcycles, you can put it in a van, you can put it in any places that you want. So let's see. I can't wait to try this too for my car, to put it outside my car. Yeah, it's a nice accessory. It's a nice accessory you guys can use for your car. So I highly recommend to get something like this, because you can put it outside your car and get some different angles. And you know, why not, man? You know, anything that can make your video production for YouTube better, why not? You know what I'm saying? So, okay, and this is the bad boy right here. This is the one that goes outside the car. I cannot wait to try this, guys. I mean, for real. Like, you can give a nice touch to your video recording with your car that you're driving, and it looks real mad cool, you know. So I guess the GoPro goes over here, like that, and then you got yourself a nice recording. You know what I'm talking about? Alright, guys, I'm gonna show you right now how do you. This is the car. This is my car. So this is the piece, right? So this is the piece that goes on top of the car. Basically, when you put it on, this is from GoPro, right? When you put it on, it says press. Where it says press, inside there it says press. You have to, first of all, you have to put the camera on top of here. After you put the camera on top of here, you have to press this thing. It says press. After you press you have to put it lock, so it doesn't move at all. So I'm gonna show you right now the way I would do it. I got my GoPro here, so I'm gonna put the GoPro over here in this angle here, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So you put the GoPro in there. Let me show you. It's really tight up. So I guess it could not be in a curve of a car, so it has to be in a solid part of the car, maybe here. Okay, so press it down. You have to lock it right there. Boom. So, and then put your camera in the angle, the composition that you want to record, right? And that's it. This thing doesn't move for nothing, man. Look at this. This thing doesn't move for nothing. So yeah, so the way you want to record with your camera, if you want to do that, that's the best way you could do. You put it, you have to press this thing here, and then when you press this thing here, you have to lock it. And then after when you lock it, that's it. He's not gonna move for nothing. So I think it's really solid. Locked down, it's gonna, you have to press it like really, you have to put strength on it. You have to press it like really hard. That way it doesn't move. So when you drive in the car, you don't have any type of movement and you don't lose the camera. So yeah, I think it's pretty solid, guys. I don't think it's bad at all. And let's do the same thing again. What I'm gonna do is, now I'm recording myself with the other hand, guys, so stay with me because it's kind of hard to do this when you're doing alright, to lift it up, I think you have to lift it up over here. Boom, and it goes. So I recommend to get it by this little corner here. See this little corner? You can lift it up right there. So let's see if you can do the same thing. If you can put it in the windshield, or in the car, in front of the car, in the window of the car, right? So let's see if you can do the same thing. So now I have to just press it really hard there, and then lock it really hard, and I'm gonna be available to drive with that in my windshield if I want to. And that's it. Record myself like that if I want to. Boom. See that? You get yourself a nice GoPro on top of the car. Yeah, this thing doesn't move or nothing, but this thing is solid, bro. What I like about it is that if you look at it, guys, you don't have to press. I've seen another ones that you have to put like a cable or something. And they say with this one you can drive up to 40 miles an hour. I think it's 40 miles an hour you can drive with this, or 60 miles an hour, and it's not gonna fail. So I think it's pretty cool, right? So if you want to record a city, or if you want to record anything you want to record, right, you can record it with this on top of the car. And I think it's perfect, guys, man. I mean, for the money, guys, $40. Like, it came with like tax and everything. I think 45. I mean, it's not bad, man. And it's GoPro. It's original from GoPro. It's not another different brand. They have another type of different brand for cheap, for like $16. I didn't want to risk it because it's a car. It's like outside the car, so I don't know how it's gonna handle it outside the car. So I just want to use it like this. So let's see. You see now, to take it off, the same thing again. You have to unlock it first over here. So first of all, you unlock it, boom, and then yeah. So you see this little thing here? You have to press this up. So when you want to take it off, you just press it up and lift it up. You have to put some kind of strength, guys.